A new trend which is emerging from US is that more and more companies are releasing Apache 2 open weight open source models. In this video, we are going to install this new Trinity Mini model from Arcee AI, which is part of a series of sparse mixture of expert models which have been trained end-to-end in US. There are three models in this family. There is Trinity Nano, which is a 6 billion parameter model with only 1 billion active. Then we have this Trinity Mini, which is a 26 billion parameter model with 3 billion active. And then there is an upcoming 420 billion total parameter model with 13 billion active. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Also, please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. So let's get the installation underway for this model, and I will be talking more around its architecture. And there are few bits which I really find very interesting and might become quite big in 2026. This is my Ubuntu system and I am using one GPU card, NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Okay, so let's first serve the model after downloading it, and the tool which I'm going to use with it, it is VLLM, and we are using it with tool call. For reasoning we are using DeepSeek parser, and for tool calling, which is primarily an external function calling or any external functionality, we are using Hermes for that, and I have covered both of these separately on the channel. If you don't know what VLLM is, how to get it installed, just go to my channel, search with this VLLM tutorial, and this will make you a hero from zero in no time, and you will be able to get it installed very easily on your local system. So let me run this to download the model. And the model is being downloaded. While it downloads, let's talk more around its architecture and what exactly is cooking underneath. So the architecture, which is called as AFM or AF mixture of expert, builds on transformer, and it advances with a focus on stable, efficient mixture of expert training. There are a few key components. First, there is grouped query attention with QK norm and gated attention, which is quite interesting in the sense they have tried to make it as efficient as possible. And then if you talk about very internals, it also uses sigmoid routing without auxiliary losses, so which is very interesting for me. And then they have used something from Moonshot, like Moon Optimizer for scaled learning rates. So the good thing is that these open source projects are taking concepts and help from Chinese models, and this is what I think is going to advance the AI if we want to go beyond transformer architecture and we want to proceed with new and novel stuff. We need to work together no matter where exactly the models are originating. It also uses DeepSeek inspired fine-grained mixture of expert, and it uses first layers for stability. So this is really cool. One thing I want to touch upon their manifesto is that it centers on model sovereignty and ownership for developers and enterprises. Acri shifted from the fine-tuning foreign bases to full US-based pre-training to address diminishing returns in post-training to ensure jurisdictional compliance, which is also known as data provenance and licenses. And what it's trying to do, it is trying to enable future self-improving systems that adapt via live usage and custom training loops. They have provided fully open weights trained on controlled pipelines, so which is quite interesting. And I think that this will be a really cool stuff, that instead of reliance on overseas labs, especially I'm talking about American businesses, they can have their own permissive American led open source AI for long term, and why not? And I think this example should be followed by every country if they want, and then everyone should take advantage from the joint research. So I think future of AI looks quite positive after looking at these sort of projects. My only gripe is I tried to use their hosted version. Uh, It is bit expensive, so I think this is where they need to also give some free tier to the user. Anyway, let's go back to the terminal. And the model is now downloaded and being served. Let's also strike up our OpenWeb UI. I'm just going to use it for the graphical user interface. You can use any interface of your choice. And I'm going to open it in my browser on my local host. And the model is loaded and being served on our local system. So let's first start with the coding task. I'm asking it to create me a self-contained HTML file using p5.js, and I'm asking it to give me a rocket zooming across the screen in random directions. And then there are a lot of requirements around being some immersive, some fireworks, some clicking, and some physics. And there are some instructions I'm giving it. The goal is to create a world-class stuff. Let's run this. It's an thinking model. It is going through chain of thoughts, trying to understand what exactly is there. And I'm just quickly browsing through it. You see it has created an outline. This is actually quite impressive. It already has divided it into step by step and now creating the code here. And it has already done it. It is being served already on the system, so it is consuming touch over 75 gig of VRAM, as you can see here, fully loaded onto the GPU. Okay, so this is good. Let me open this code in the browser, and this is what it looks like. Let me reload it, the page I mean. So it starts, it strikes the edge of the screen, and it is moving across. There is a trail, but I see two rockets. I'm not sure what exactly that thing is, and I'm showing you as is without any editing. And I'm clicking here, nothing is happening. It is zooming across, but I think it could be much better. And if you have been following my channel, you know that we have tested this thing with a lot of models and we have received far better results. So I think this is where they need to improve. Maybe I will give it another iteration. I'll ask it, the rocket doesn't look right. Can you improve the code? Also, clicking on screen in browser window doesn't do anything. There are no. I'm trying to fix it, and let's run this. And it is generating it again. And by the way, if you are wondering, I already have set the hyperparameters as per the recommended settings, which you can do in your settings in OpenWeb UI. So let's see, sorry, not this one. Let's see what it produces this time and we will check it out. And now for a long time, it is just stuck here. You see, there you go. Nothing is happening. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cancel it and we will move on to something else. So it is hallucinating. It is just stuck in the loop here. It is just going to error out. Now, just to give model a fair chance, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cancel this, close this, and I will just close all the windows. We already have checked the VRAM consumption, and I'm going to relaunch it. The whole VLLM stack and OpenWeb UI, and then we'll try one last time. So the model is loaded again. Let's try out one more time. Let's run this. It is again thinking. Hopefully it will think right this time. Yep, this time at least it is producing the code correctly. So let it print the code and then I will try one last time what code it produces. So this is the code which it has produced. I have copied it and I have done this so many times and I have a feeling it is not as good as we thought, especially this coding skills. You see, it's doing the same thing again. I'm just reloading it again. There is slight improvement, but still nothing is happening anyway. So I think maybe coding is not something which this model does. Let's do some language skills. Let me ask it a simple question first. So I'm asking it how many letter F are there in the word strawberry. Let's see what it thinks. By the way, I will still say it thinks quite nicely. I like the way it thinks, but, and the answer is correct. There are zero occurrences. You see, the thinking is very interesting. Okay, so this one is okay. So let's, take it a notch up. So I'm going to ask it that what is life? And then there are few philosophers who are giving their answers, like Socrates says it's a test, Nietzsche says it's power, and Fahad Mirza says it's membership to my channel. And then I'm asking it, now tell me what would above philosophers say about following. Keep answers short like above, what is wife? So let's see what these philosophers think about it. And let's see. And I'm just checking if it is able to pick that touch of humor there. Still, I don't see that it is detecting the humor. Sorry. Yep, the creativity is there. That is correct. And then it is okay. There are few answers. So you see, for Fahad Mirza, it's just a member of my channel. It's a member of. So you see, it's a play on word. So it's instead of membership, it just says because uh, wife is a human, so it's a member. Stephen Hawking, hope and meaning, Einstein collaborator. It is a good answer, but I have seen better answers, by the way. But it's not bad, so I will just give it a success. Let's do a language test in multilinguality. So I'm asking you to translate this sentence. Spend less than what you earn, save and invest. The difference in various languages. I have also added one new language, which is Sundanese from Indonesia. I think it is from Western Java. So anyway, maybe I already have this Sunda, but I'll check it out. So let me know if you are from that region, if you think this is the same language, and more importantly, please let me know um, after checking your language if the translation is right. I will let it go with the answer and then I will show you. And it has got few languages right, but I think for various languages it is just simply hallucinating. So I'll just go up and show you what it has done so far and then let me know. So I think for most of the language it was able to give me the answer. There are various mistakes in that. So multilinguality is not really there. I mean, even if you look at Urdu, it is not good. Some of it got right, but most of it just struggled. And by the way, Sunda and Sundanese are same languages as per AI. So I will remove one of them later, but you see it's struggling on Burmese. Anyway, so let me know what do you think about these. I don't think so it has done a very good job. So look, really good that they have released this open source open weight, but the quality should be there. And because that is, look at the open source stuff coming from other regions, and even look at the Olmo model even from US, which is quite good. So the bar is very high. They really need to step up. But let me know what do you think in the comments. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot. And please follow me on X, as that helps a lot. Thank you very much.